Hi lovelies, welcome back to another video. So today we're doing a design with the Madam Glam's Give Glam collection, and today Madam Glam starts their pre-Black Friday sale and you get 50% off site wide, and the promo code is on the screen and I'm gonna leave it on the screen throughout this video. It is Taylor BF, but you must have a minimum of 3 items in your cart in order for that 50% off to work. It is valid from today, November 19th to November 21st. It's a really quick sale, so if there's anything you were eyeballing on the Madam Glam's website, now will be the time to do so. So this is the design that we'll be working on today, and I'm going to show you how I incorporated this really quick gel marble inside of my acrylic. But before I jump into the video, let me give a huge shout out to my notification squad. You guys are awesome and I want to thank you so much for commenting. These are the first 3 people to comment on my nail transformation video that I posted yesterday, and in case you guys missed it, I would link it in my description box below and also up on the screen in the cards. So if you want to be part of the notification squad, you know what to do. Go ahead and click on that subscribe button and definitely click on the bell icon right next to it so that you don't miss out whenever I upload a new video. So this pack of nail glues that I'm sharing with you guys is obviously by the Makart company, and I'm being honest with you guys, I've been testing this out for the past 3 weeks and I must say these have become my new favorite nail tip glue. You do get 0.07 ounces, and if you guys can see at the bottom of the label, it's a sort of a pink tint. I don't know, it doesn't make a difference, but it's just so cute to look at. So as I promised in my previous 2 videos ago, if you guys got that video to 500 likes, I will do full length nails, and this is exactly what we are going to do today. I am so scared out of my mind how I'm going to function with these things, but we'll see how it goes. So I am just going to be gluing on these nail tips. I'm not going to be cutting them. I'm not going to be filing them. I am not going to be filing them into shape or anything like that. All I did was blend the tips and apply my dehydrator and my primer, and as you guys can see, the numbers are still on them, so therefore you know they are full length. So for my application today, I am using my Mia Secret clear acrylic powder and my Mia Secret liquid, as well as my Mia Secret primer and my Alpha number 12 oval Kolinsky brush. So this is actually the first time that I'm using my Alpha number 12 brush, and I must say I'm actually loving it. Like, I'm not kidding with you guys. You guys know that I go hard for my number 10. I'm a ride or die number 10 chick, but this number 12, oh my gosh. Now honestly, I am so surprised at myself that I've never used or stuck with the number 12 before, but I am being really honest with you guys. After using it today, I think that it is going to be my new favorite. Like, I am not joking, I'm not kidding you guys. I'm not knocking my number 10 because I still love it and I have it and I use it for infills, but all I'm saying is after using it, especially with nails this long, the number 12 made it so much easier for me to do my acrylic application. So all I'm doing, that's why I'm chatting with you guys, because all I'm doing is building up my thumb, my index and my pinky nail with my clear acrylic, because I am going to be using gel polish on top of it. So I am going to be using my number 12 more, and you guys are going to see it in a few upcoming videos, just to make sure that I permanently want to make that switch, because if I continuously keep using it, I would see if I love it as much as I love it now, as it's the first time. So it's like my first impression compared to 5-6 sets down the road. And I must say, applying acrylic to nails this long, oh my gosh, it was a task. Like, I've never done full length nails, not on myself, not on a client. This was a bit challenging. I'm not even going to front, I'm not even going to lie and say, oh, it was a bed of roses. No, it really wasn't. I did work in smaller beads and build up the nail rather than to go in with my regular 3 beads, because of the fact that I didn't want this nail to be too thick, too bulky and have too much filing to do, but I still needed to make sure that my apex and everything was nicely structured. Because of the length of this nail, it would be so much easier for me to knock it, so I need to make sure that it's nice and strong so that in case it gets a knock or so, it's not going to just break really easily, because then it can cause damage to my natural nails, which are nubs compared to what I have on right now. So all I'm going to do is continue building up the structure of these nails, and as I'm in my clear acrylic at the moment, I'm just going to go in on my ring finger and my middle finger and apply a thin layer of clear acrylic. So now I'm going in with these three colors. This is Busy Avocado, Give Me Pie, and Butter Up. And I will have the full list of all these gel polish colors in my description box below. As well, if you're interested in seeing all of these colors swatched, definitely go ahead and check out my Instagram. I will also link that IG video in my description box below. I did share with you guys this similar technique in a few videos before, where I show you guys how to do an easy, quick gel polish marble. Well, it's the exact same thing. The only difference with this set, I did not put down my art gel. I'm just going to allow the thickness of the actual gel polish to flow really nicely, and that's why I'm angling my finger slightly downward. It's not a full 90 degrees, it's probably like a 45-degree angle, in order for that gel to create its own nice marble. And after I'm happy with the way that my tip looks, I'm going to take my brush and clean it off, and then I'm going to soften the line right where the marble meets my natural nail plate. So because this gel polish is so thick, I do have to go in and remove the excess gel. So what I do is I just take my finger and pull off as much of the excess gel as possible, so that that gel lays really nice and flat. Because if I were to put my hand into the light without doing that step, it would cause the gel to wrinkle. It's not going to cure properly, and then we're going to have problems when it comes to encapsulating, because then the acrylic is going to separate from the gel. So all I'm going to do now is repeat the exact same thing to my middle finger. Now I did run out of gel, so I had to mix up just a little bit more. I probably could have waited for the gel to run down, but I was doing my nails in between clients and I didn't have the time, but that's fine. After everything was nice and cured, I did go ahead off camera and remove that tacky layer. And now I'm going in to cover up my natural nail bed with my JC Beauty Concepts Cover Blush. I am not doing an ombre with this set. This is just to cover up my natural nails. And the reason why you see me pulling back the acrylic is because I don't want it to go too far up to cover up that marble. Now I'm going in with these glitter shreds and some dried flowers, which are both by the Veronica's shop. And if you guys are interested, I would leave the link and my coupon code in the description box below. If you click on the link in my description box, the coupon code will automatically be applied at checkout. But if it is you go through the Veronica's shop actual website, then you need to apply the coupon code at checkout. Either way, it still works and you guys go ahead and save yourself some extra cash. I am all for saving myself some extra cash, and I'm really glad that I can help you guys do the same. After applying everything, I am going to wait for it to set just a little bit, and then I'm going to go in and encapsulate these two nails with my Mia Secret Clay acrylic. After I do that, I am going to allow these nails to set. I went in, file shaped and buffed off camera, and I'll meet you guys right back with the final steps to complete this design. So I know they look chunky and wonky right now, but I swear to you they are not thick at all. So I am going to go in and file them up and make them look all cute. So now I'm going in on the 3 nails that I just built up with my clear acrylic with this gorgeous burnt orange, and this is one of my favorites. This is Give Me Pie, and I absolutely love this color. So I did 2 coats of it. I cured in between each coat in my Madame Glam's Holly lamp for 30 seconds. And after I do that, I'm just going to go in with my Madame Glam's No Wipe Gel top coat and top coat all my nails. Apply my Madame Glam's cuticle oil, and of course I will have a clip of the final result at the end of the video to share with you guys. Don't forget to take advantage of that 50% off site-wide. The only thing that you cannot purchase off of the Madam Glam's website with this 50% off coupon code is that advent calendar. It is Madam Glam's special edition for the Christmas holiday, and if you have not seen it, it is all over my social media, and I've seen a few videos with it on YouTube as well, and I have a short video coming up with mine because I just received it and I can't wait to open it because I have not opened it as yet. But that's the only thing that you cannot buy. Remember, you need to have a minimum of 3 items in your cart before you can get the 50% to be activated, and it's only valid from the 19th, which is today, to the 21st of November. Keep that in mind. All the information is down below. Get the Get Glam collection. Trust me, it is amazing. The metallics are gorgeous. Like, if you guys want to see swatches of the different collections leading up to the Get Glam collection, definitely head over to my Instagram. I have a whole bunch of swatch with me, so you guys can go through them, write down the colors that you love most, and get your hands on some of these gel polishes. So I'm going to leave you guys right here to watch the rest of this video. If you enjoyed it and you stuck with me this long, go ahead and leave me some flower emojis with your comments in the comment section below. Like, blow those comments up. And if you enjoy these long nails, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. So I'm going to be leaving you guys right here to watch the little bit that's left of this video. Make sure you watch till the end to see the final result. And as always, I would love for you guys to stay glamorous, be safe, and I'll see you soon. Oh, no.